Hi, this is Paul Wong. It's nice to meet you. We probably met at a recent conference, or you've heard of me to a friend, or you might even have my book, The Heart Wisdom Process, Understanding and Healing the Subconscious. Now, this is a methodology that I developed over the last 10 years because of working through my own life challenges related to my own health issues, relationships, and how to really go deep into the subconscious. So behind what's your present day challenges or your client's challenges, there are unresolved issues that are buried deep in the subconscious. So um, below is a series of trainings that will give you some of my best teachings, the insights, some practices that can help you and your clients get to a number of deeper issues that's never been resolved. So please enter your name in the email below, and the training will be sent to you. And we look forward to working with you soon.